Hey there, ClickChauffeur community. Ready to take a break? In this video, I'll show you how to enable vacation mode so you can enjoy your time off without worrying about client bookings. By doing this, you can ensure no new bookings come through while you're away, making your vacation truly stress-free. Let's jump in and get started from the ClickChauffeur dashboard. In the menu on the left, click on Module to access the settings page. Once you're on the settings page, go to the right, Options, and scroll down until you see the Holiday Mode label. To prevent client bookings while you're away, simply check this box. Next, let's customize the message that will be displayed to your clients. Something like, "Sorry, we're on vacation until insert your date. Looking forward to serving you then." This works great. It's simple and friendly. Pro tip: set a reminder on your phone or calendar to turn off the vacation mode when you are back. That way you won't miss any bookings when you are actually back. Finally, again, we need to save the changes. To wrap up, we activated vacation mode, customized the message for your clients, and saved the changes. Now you can relax knowing your bookings are paused until you return. Enjoy your well-deserved break, and don't forget to turn off vacation mode when you're back. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video.